Welcome back to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your trusted source for holistic wellness guidance. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects countless individuals worldwide: insomnia. The frustration of lying awake, unable to attain a restful night's sleep, can take a toll on both our physical and mental well-being. But fret not, we've meticulously compiled a comprehensive list of 12 effective natural remedies that will aid you in conquering insomnia and reclaiming the restful slumber you deserve. So, let's embark on this journey together and unlock the secrets to a rejuvenating night's sleep. 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Our bodies function best when they have a regular routine, and sleep is no exception. By going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, you can help regulate your body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. When you have a consistent sleep schedule, your body knows when to expect rest and when to wake up, allowing it to prepare accordingly. This routine helps promote better sleep quality and duration, which in turn supports overall cardiovascular health. Adequate sleep is essential for optimal circulation. During sleep, your body repairs and rejuvenates itself, including your blood vessels. Lack of sleep or disrupted sleep patterns can lead to increased inflammation and impaired blood flow, potentially increasing the risk of blood clots. By sticking to a consistent sleep schedule, you can ensure that you get the recommended amount of sleep each night, which is generally around 7 to 9 hours for adults. Sufficient sleep allows your body to function optimally, reducing the strain on your cardiovascular system and decreasing the likelihood of blood clot formation. To establish a consistent sleep schedule, it's important to prioritize sleep hygiene. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Avoid stimulating activities, such as using electronic devices or consuming caffeinated beverages, close to bedtime. Creating a sleep-friendly environment is also crucial. Make sure your bedroom is cool, quiet, and dark, as these factors contribute to a more restful sleep. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillow to support proper spinal alignment and reduce discomfort during the night. 2. Create a soothing bedtime ritual. In our fast-paced lives, it's common for stress and anxiety to accumulate, hindering a good night's sleep and potentially affecting our circulation. By engaging in a relaxing routine before bed, we can prepare both our mind and body for a restful sleep, allowing our systems to recharge and rejuvenate. To begin, consider incorporating activities that calm your mind and promote relaxation. Reading a book can transport you to another world, taking your focus away from daily stressors. Choose a genre that resonates with you, whether it's fiction, nonfiction, or a self-help book that offers insights into reducing stress and improving sleep quality. Another effective ritual is to indulge in a warm bath before bed. The warm water helps to relax tense muscles and promotes a sense of tranquility. You can add a few drops of lavender essential oil to the bathwater, known for its soothing properties that can aid in stress reduction and better sleep. As you soak, allow your mind to unwind, letting go of any worries or thoughts that may be weighing you down. Incorporating deep breathing exercises into your bedtime routine can have profound effects on your overall well-being. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Focus on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body, letting go of tension with each exhalation. This practice can help calm the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and prepare you for a peaceful slumber. Gentle stretching can also be beneficial as part of your bedtime ritual. Perform simple stretches that target areas prone to tension, such as your neck, shoulders, and legs. Move slowly and mindfully, allowing your body to relax and release any built-up tension. Stretching not only helps to relieve physical stress but also promotes circulation and encourages the flow of oxygen-rich blood throughout your body. 3. Optimize your sleep environment. Transform your bedroom into a serene sanctuary that promotes restful sleep. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that support your body's natural alignment. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to minimize external disturbances that could disrupt your sleep. 4. Limit exposure to electronic devices. The glow of electronic devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops, emits blue light that can interfere with your body's natural sleep patterns. To optimize your sleep, it's essential to establish a digital curfew and power down these devices at least an hour before bedtime. Instead, engage in relaxing activities that prepare your mind for rest. 5. Avoid stimulants. The consumption of stimulants like caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol can significantly impact your ability to fall asleep and maintain deep sleep. Limit your intake of these substances, especially in the afternoon and evening. Consider replacing them with sleep-friendly alternatives like herbal tea or warm milk, which contain natural compounds known to promote relaxation. 6. Practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or gentle yoga can help quiet your mind and reduce stress levels before bed. Engaging in these practices aids in releasing tension from your body, promoting a state of tranquility that facilitates restful sleep. 7. Exercise regularly. Physical activity during the day can regulate your sleep-wake cycle and enhance your overall sleep quality. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise each day, but avoid vigorous workouts close to bedtime, as they can leave you feeling energized rather than relaxed. Find activities you enjoy, such as walking, swimming, or dancing, and make them a part of your daily routine. 8. Watch your diet. Your dietary choices can have a significant impact on your sleep patterns. Incorporate sleep-friendly foods into your meals, such as kiwi, cherries, nuts, whole grains, and leafy greens. These foods contain nutrients and compounds that promote relaxation and help regulate sleep. Additionally, avoid heavy meals before bed, as they can cause discomfort and disrupt your sleep. 9. Explore herbal remedies. Throughout history, herbal remedies have been trusted for their healing properties and ability to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. One such remedy is chamomile tea, which has been enjoyed for centuries due to its soothing effects. Sipping a warm cup of chamomile tea before bedtime can help calm the mind and body, reducing stress and tension that can contribute to clotting. Another herb to consider is valerian root, known for its sedative properties. Valerian root can be consumed as a tea or taken in supplement form to promote a more restful slumber. Lavender oil, with its pleasant aroma, can be used in aromatherapy or added to a warm bath to create a calming environment before bed. Lastly, passion flower extract is a natural remedy that has been used to alleviate anxiety and promote relaxation. Adding a few drops of passion flower extract to a cup of tea or taking it as a supplement can help ease stress and facilitate a good night's sleep. While herbal remedies can be beneficial, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication. By exploring these herbal remedies, you can enhance your sleep quality and support a healthy blood circulation system. 10. Journaling. If you often find yourself lying in bed with racing thoughts and worries that hinder your ability to fall asleep, incorporating journaling into your pre-sleep routine can be immensely beneficial. By taking just a few minutes each night to jot down your thoughts, concerns, or even your achievements of the day, you create a space to declutter your mind and release any built-up tension. The act of putting pen to paper allows you to externalize your thoughts and emotions, giving them a tangible form outside of your mind. This process can be incredibly cathartic, providing a sense of relief as you transfer your worries onto the pages of your journal. By doing so, you create a mental separation between yourself and your concerns, enabling you to approach sleep with a calmer state of mind. Journaling also provides an opportunity for self-reflection and introspection. It allows you to delve deeper into your thoughts and gain insights into your emotions and patterns of thinking. Through this introspective practice, you may identify recurring stressors or triggers that contribute to anxiety or restlessness, which can in turn help you develop strategies to address and mitigate them. Moreover, journaling can serve as a record of your progress and personal growth. By regularly documenting your achievements, big or small, you create a tangible reminder of your accomplishments. This can boost your self-esteem and motivation, fostering a positive mindset that contributes to overall well-being. Reflecting on past successes can also provide perspective and reassurance during challenging times, reminding you of your resilience and ability to overcome obstacles. To incorporate journaling into your pre-sleep routine, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can focus without distractions. Set aside a few minutes before bed to sit down with your journal and pen. Begin by writing down any thoughts, worries, or concerns that weigh on your mind. Allow yourself to freely express your emotions, without judgment or censorship. You can also take the opportunity to write down positive experiences, moments of gratitude, or anything that brings you joy. 11. Limit daytime napping. While a short power nap can be beneficial for some, excessive daytime napping can disrupt your sleep schedule. Limit your daytime naps to 20 to 30 minutes early in the afternoon if you feel the need for a quick recharge. This way, you can maintain a healthy sleep routine without compromising your ability to fall asleep at night. 12. Seek professional help if needed. If insomnia persists despite your best efforts and these natural remedies, it's essential to seek professional help. A healthcare professional can evaluate your sleep patterns, identify any underlying causes contributing to your insomnia, and provide additional treatment options or therapies tailored to your specific needs. Insomnia does not have to dominate your nights and leave you exhausted during the day. By incorporating these 12 natural remedies into your daily routine, you can significantly improve your sleep quality and experience the restful slumber you deserve. Remember, everyone's journey to better sleep is unique, so feel free to experiment with these remedies and find what works best for you. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle Tips for more valuable insights into holistic wellness. Wishing you peaceful nights and rejuvenating sleep ahead.